Hey, what's up everyone? So finally Samsung has pushed out this new update for the Galaxy Watch 4, and I think so this is the biggest update since the launch of this smartwatch. It is about 477 megabyte in size. First of all, let's see what is mentioned in the changelog, then we will move on to the watch. So the first thing mentioned here are the watch faces, and now we have 4 type of new watch faces which are Together, AR emoji, Bitmoji, and My Photo watch face has been added as well with support for GIF files. Next, they have improved the customization feature, and now you can restore all old watch faces to a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with those saved watch face settings like watch face colors, watch hands, and much more. Next thing they have mentioned is related to Samsung Health, like improved heart rate measurement, and sensitivity option for the fall detection has been added as well. Also, Samsung has now added a new gesture which can help you to open some specific apps, and once again we will test out this feature later in this video. In the last, support for mute status while talking on phone has been added, plus we have enhanced system stability mentioned here as well. Sadly, there is no mention of Google Assistant that Samsung promised to give to Galaxy Watch 4 users later this year. Anyways, I'll install this update and get back to you after finishing the process. Okay, so the first watch face is info brick with this update. It offers a nice view of daily information like time, day and night indicator with this battery percentage, and here we have our step counter, active time plus calories burned. Further, you can customize it as well with different colors and complications. Next, we have weather center watch face which shows hourly forecast, and this nice animation is also present in the background depending on your weather. Further, we have live wallpaper watch face which has this cool animation. You can tap on it to change colors. And next to watch faces are basic dashboard and Bitmoji watch face. You can check them out after downloading this update. Anyways, now let's talk about this new gesture feature that has been added with this update. To access it, go to settings and scroll down to advanced features. Here under gestures, select quick launch and turn it on. Now you can choose any app to quickly launch it with this feature. So here I'm gonna select alarm and let's test out this feature. So make a fist, and when the screen turns on with this gesture movement, within the first 5 seconds you have to perform this wrist movement. So it is doing the job very well. You can see that the alarm app has opened up. For the next new thing mentioned in the update, it is the fall detection sensitivity. You can set it to high or low. For that, go to variable application on your phone. Now go to watch settings present here and select advanced features. Now tap on SOS and enable fall detection. Here you will see this sensitivity option, and if you want your watch to be more sensitive to fall, you can just enable this option. For the last feature, it is pretty minor. Samsung has added a mute/unmute icon to the watch, which is activated whenever you are talking on your phone. So these were the main features that are added to Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with this major update. I'm still hoping for Google Assistant update that Samsung should roll out as soon as possible. That was about it for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.